Sure. Welcome to the print shop. My name's Peter and I have been running the print shop for about 9 years now. I have been in the industry for over 20 years, specialising in fine art printing and also working in Pro Labs.
And Peter, do you mind telling us what kind of gear you have in the print shop?
Yeah, awesome. I'm really proud with our gear. We predominantly use Epson printers and we have wide format printers up to 64 inch so that we can print anything beyond 2 to 3 meters in length. But as well as that, we have a number of desktop printers that are ideally suited for flat sheet printing. So students do print a lot of A4s and A3s as well.
Well, do you mind if we have a look inside the print shop?
Sure, come through.
Awesome. Follow me. I'm excited to see what's in the print shop. Hello again.
Hey.
So there's a few prints on the table here. Do you mind giving us a bit of a rundown of what they are?
Well, the print shop not only does work for students, but we also do a lot of work for external clients. And this project here was photographed by an artist called Roan. He's actually a graffiti artist. And we show this to students because it's really important for students to start thinking as a collective project, putting all their images side by side and looking at how they sync together.
And I see that over here we have one large print and one smaller print. Do you mind telling me what the difference between these two prints are?
Sure. Basically, this is something that we start pretty much from raw stage, and we have a conversation with the artist or with the student about their idea, their intent. What is it they want to say within the image themselves? Then it's the use of Photoshop and post-production to enhance that concept. In this particular case, it's about pulling this subject from the background because, as you can see from this shot, it's a little bit muddy. It doesn't really pop, whereas something like this, the subject really stands strong, but it's not over the top. It's still sympathetic with the idea and the intent.
I mean, looking at both of the images, I would have thought that was taken in camera, and seeing it against this one, the difference is unreal.
It's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's a real eye-opener for students to experience this process.
Well, Peter, thank you for showing us the print shop.